she slowed her pace. Birthday time, balloons so high, cake and lights and happy sky. Open gifts, her brother said, boxes shining, bows of red. A pink car, a pretty dress, a teddy soft, oh happiness. Hissa laughed and hugged them tight. All are mine, oh what a night. Then her brothers took the toys, ran around with cheeky noise. Hissa cried, that's not fair. They just laugh, don't despair. We're just playing, little dear. Don't be mad, no need to fear. They all laughed and hugged again. Happy hearts and happy friends. Hissa smiled, her eyes so bright. Okay, I'll change, I'll do it right. Now she's